Our homeowners would like the natural stone look in a few places around the house, on an exterior retaining wall, as well as a few fireplaces. So I've come to a stone yard to meet Mark McCullough to pick a few samples.
So this is the Quartz, right?
Hey, Mark. Hey, David.
Hi, how you doing, Kevin?
Doing all right. So this is our sample, huh? Look at this stuff. This is what we're working with?
Yeah, so what we do is we take a natural product and we cut it so that it's made to attach onto foundations. I think, Mark, you're doing a retaining wall.
Yep.
And so it will go right onto the CMU and it will give this natural stone look. Years ago, we would have to make that natural stone with big, thick, heavy stones, and it would require a lot more setup. Cutting it thin, it sticks right onto the CMU and holds into place. And what's so neat is you've got this beautiful aged patina with this natural, edge that the mason, Mark, will cut and merge these two together, and it just fits so well together and so beautiful.
Right. And the key, Mark, I guess for you is all natural, right? Different than the cultured stone you're used to.
For a couple different reasons. As a mason, this stuff here, I can chip and fit and cut and do whatever I want. If I try to manipulate the cultured stone, it shows up right away. Again, if I chip it, you'll see the color difference. We have to do the corner of a wall or the corner of a column, and I can see that stone here, and I can see the same stone here, and to me, that makes me feel like that's a real stone.
Right. So you're liking this stuff for durability, for that sort of natural look. Why were we using the faux stuff originally? I mean, was it all about speed or pricing?
Pricing mainly, and as David mentioned, this stuff weighs 15 pounds a square foot. Normal brick stone is over 60 pounds a square foot. So, so this alleviates the need for a foundation, which again gives us cost savings. So that kind of evens out the fact that the fake stone is a little bit less. But even now, the numbers are starting to get a little bit more comparable.
They're very close, and 20 or so years ago when the technology came that we could take a diamond blade and saw through stones really quickly, that lowered the cost.
Right. Where does the magic happen? Where does this get cut?
Well, we cut it right here. Well, let's go take a look.
Let's check that out.
So this is the warehouse. This is where we keep all of our inventory. One of the things I just wanted to point out is we have some stone from Asia, and that helps supplement the materials that we do domestically. So some of the domestic material from some of the local quarries, this is a corner piece of ashlar.
And that comes from nearby.
Yeah, that's right here in New England.
Anything you want.
All right, so what we have here is we have a saw with a 20-inch diamond blade. That blade will use water to help keep it cool.
So just one guy, one saw, cutting all this stone?
So this is one saw, one guy. He's probably processing, about 10 tons of stone every day. That blade will only last one day. It just wears out from cutting through this dense, hard granite.
Do you sharpen it or do you just get rid of it?
No, the blade actually just gets thrown out. On some of the bigger blades that we have, we retip it, but these 20-inch blades, it's not worth retipping.
Don't sharpen it, it just goes away.
It just goes away.
Wow, all right. And so what's the first piece he's going to cut? We're going to get a face or we're going to get a corner?
So he selected a corner, and you can see it's flat on the table, and then it comes up at a 90-degree edge. So we want to try to have it be about 1 inch in thickness against that face. We saw that piece in the office, and he's going to go create it with this.
Check this out.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Oh my.
I was not expecting that saw to cut through stone as quick as it did. I mean, that went through there like butter.
Well, a powerful saw and a good operator.
Kevin, did you notice these the wooden wedges? he uses to balance the stone
Right.
before the cut. I think that's great too.
Although on that second cut, I mean, he just rested it there and eyeballed it right through that saw. And then, I mean, look at that, right? So you got a perfect 90.
Yep.
There's the face that you want, right?
Yeah, so this is perfect for me. I mean, this is going to allow me to weave the corner back and forth, big piece, small piece. It's beautiful, just like that. Yep.
Unbelievable.
All right, I'll take that one, David.
Sounds good. We'll put it on your account.
All right, please.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.